I'm going in detail with the polar form of a complex number. You should be good at this so that you can follow the next discussions quite easily. If I'll give you, find the polar form of the complex number 1 minus I root 3. So you can make out like this is 1 minus root 3i. I root 3 is same as that of root 3i. Minus is there in its position. This can be written like 1 minus root 3 into I. If we'll compare it with x plus yi, then you can make out that x is positive and y is negative. As you've learned in the class 10th, that this I'm not using much of animations, so sometimes it's troubling me a bit. Fine. Now, this is the first quadrant. This is the second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant, and here are the points. Any point lying in this is having sign of plus and plus. This is in fact your y-axis. This is y dash, basically meaning this is the negative y-axis. This is x-axis, and this is x dash. This is negative, this is positive, positive, negative. So if I'll give you a point like 2, 3, this is the origin. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, like that. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and minus 5, like that. So 2, 3. First I'll take the x coordinate. This is 2. Y coordinate is 3. So 2 and 3 will be like, you can virtually think that you are drawing just parallel lines like this, and this is a parallel line to the y-axis, this is the parallel line to the x-axis. So this is the point 2, 3. Whatever point you'll find, this is definitely positive. These are the positive numbers. These are also positive numbers. So this overall thing is a mixture of positive and positive. But I'll give you a number like minus 1 and 2. So you'll have to search. This is the x coordinate, this is the y coordinate. Search which is minus 1. Here it is minus 1, and this is 2. So you draw a parallel line to this. This is minus 1 and 2. Or in other words, anything in the second quadrant will be minus and plus. Anything in the third quadrant, if I'll give you minus 2, minus 3, this is your minus 2. This is your minus 3. So this is minus 2, minus 3. Or in other words, this is a mixture of minus and minus. So any number lying here is minus and minus. If I'll give you 4 minus 1, this is 4. This is minus 1. So this is 4 minus 1. So any number lying here is plus and minus. So that way I can make out that this is plus plus, this is minus plus, this is minus minus, and this is plus minus. The question that I was discussing was having this positive, this negative. So it was coming over here. Now I have 1 minus root 3I. I will just take like r into cos theta plus I sin theta. So your r is square root of a square plus b square, so which is 1 square plus minus root 3 squared, which is 1 plus 3, which is 4, which is 2. So this is your 2 into cos theta plus I sin theta, which is 2 cos theta plus 2 I sin theta, which is 2 cos theta plus 2 sin theta I. Now this is your 1 minus root 3I. Now if I'll compare the numbers, then 1 equals to 2 cos theta and 2 sin theta is minus root 3. Now you take anything of your choice. This is a better number that can give me the value of theta. So you can make out that cos theta is 1 by 2. I'm not touching this side. Now this is cos of 60, which is pi by 3. Now instead of writing theta as pi by 3, just write alpha is pi by 3. This is called argument. This is not given proper stress in second PU books, may it be any book. Thereby, polar form becomes confusing and really difficult to handle. Once you introduce the quantity like alpha, it will be easy, and alpha is something which is a figure between 0 to 90 degrees. Now what happens here is if I'll take this guy, it's coming to be sin theta is minus root 3 by 2, and presence of this minus sign arrests me to get any value between 0 to 90. Okay, now you take alpha as pi by 3. After that, look at which quadrant it is. Now this is theta is alpha, your theta is pi minus alpha, your theta is minus of pi minus alpha, and theta is minus alpha. So as the question was here, now I will write theta. How will I write theta is as it lies in the fourth quadrant. Theta is minus alpha, which is minus pi by 3. Therefore, the amplitude, which is nothing but theta, is minus pi by 3. If the question asks find the polar form, therefore the polar form is r into cos theta plus I sin theta, which is r we got as 2 into cos of minus pi by 3 plus I sin minus pi by 3. It's as simple as it is.